a review of the Monoprice Select Mini V2. So, currently, as you can see, or might not know, there is a benchy. This is 100% scale, so normal scale. And there's a 125% scale one printing. And we will go into time lapse right now that I think might have been recorded on this camera with this case that was printed. So we'll go into the time lapse right now, but we have printed overall a bunch of things. 119, and so what I was expecting, instead of this little plastic yellow plate build remover thingamajig, I was expecting like a metal one, because that's what I've seen in a lot of different videos, but they must have just bought it separately. And so I designed this little clip for our hard drive, external hard drive, and it actually turned out pretty well because it's a really good printer. And the only print I've had so-called fail is my first print, which didn't actually fail, just that it got a little globbed up and we didn't know what was happening, so we stopped it. And this is what the test looks like. Did very well on overhangs, which is good because you can tell from, for example, this benchy has great overhangs, and this GoPro holder, it was printed like this, and look at how flat this overhang is. It's barely even sagging down. In fact, it's not even. So this test is actually really good for different models. Like, can do really thin. It is overall pretty good. So one useful print that I've made is this, which has 4 micro SD card slots to hold them for SD cards and 2 USBs. And currently I use it for my mouse dongle when I'm not using it, this flash drive, and micro SD card adapter for when I need to put prints on from my MacBook to the micro SD card for this. And then also, the cameraman printed this bearing in one piece, so yeah.
Link in the description.
Yeah. There'll probably be a link for a bunch of these. And these are little glass tops that make anything made. And then this is the straw. So this bearing is actually a really good bearing. And that will be it for this review. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Click the bell. And that will be it. Bye.